Namaskar, I am Anand and you are watching Join for Education. In this class, I am going to solve a question of application of derivatives. Let's see the question. This question is from exercise 6.1. Let's see the question. This is the question. An age of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume of the cube increasing when the edge is 10 centimeter long? Hope that there is no problem to understand the question. In this question, rate change of length of the edge of the cube is given, which is 3 centimeter per second, and ask us dV by dt or rate change of volume of the cube. Let's see the solution. First of all, we draw a relevant figure related to this question. This is the relevant figure. This is a cube and these are the length of the edge. From question it is clear that this one is given, so this is the dl by dt or rate change of length of the edge of the cube with respect to time is 3 centimeter per second. Suppose length of the cube be L and which is given 10 centimeter. In this question ask us what is the value of dV by dt. We know that volume of the cube, which is generally denoted by V, equal to L cube. Now derivatives both sides with respect to t, then we get in the left hand side the derivative of V is dV by dt and the derivative of L cube is 3L square and the derivative of L is dl by dt. Now putting the value of L which is given in this question and dl by dt which is also given in this question, and after the simple multiplication we get the answer of this question. Let's see. dV by dt, the here 3, the value of L is 10 and L square, it means that 10 to the power 2 or square, and the value of dl by dt is 3. After the simple multiplication we get 900 cube centimeter per second. So this is the answer. Hope that there is no problem to understand the explanation of the solution of this question. For more details, attend online live class of Join for Education. Hope that this class or this solution will work as the basic concept to solve rest other question of this exercise. Questions from this exercise are asked in CBSE, ICSE and other state board. My next video lecture will be related to some more solution of the questions of exercise 6.1. Till then, thanks to all of you. Thank you very much.